Hey guys, it's Sydney. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can easily create an email campaign in System.io. So in your System.io dashboard, you can click on this emails tab here, then click on campaigns. In here, you can create a new campaign by click on this button here on the top right, create. Now you can name your campaign. For example, this is my campaign with my faceless marketing. So I'll name it Faceless Bundle. Hit save. Now click on this campaign. Now click on create. This is when you create your very first email. Because this is my giveaway, so I will give the title like this. Here is your download. Sender name, you can give it as your name. Remember, the sender email is important. This cannot be a gmail.com or yahoomail.com. It cannot be a free email. You need a professional email, and I already shared with you how you can buy and link your professional email with System.io. So you have to put it here. Like mine here, I'm gonna put it contact@workwithsydney.com, and then you hit save. Now you can edit the body. I already have my body here, and normally I will change the size by click on these three dots here. I will give it like 20. Also, you can insert your link by go to this hyperlink button here. You can insert your link here. Make sure that the sender email address is a professional one like this, and then you can hit save and publish. Okay, and after that you can create many other emails by doing the same process. That's it for this video, guys. It's really simple. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thank you for watching, and this is Sydney from hithanhdotcom, and bye bye.